How to fix Roblox lagging. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix if your Roblox is lagging on your device. First thing first, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. You can do that by going over to your control settings, and from this, you just toggle off your Wi-Fi, then tap on mobile data. Once you switch over to mobile data, make sure that you try to open Roblox with it. If not, just switch back to Wi-Fi again. Sometimes the glitches might be causing due to other network issues, so to refresh that, you can try to toggle on airplane mode and keep it turned on for a few seconds. Then again, just tap on it to turn it off. Your Wi-Fi will be enabled again. Go over here and open Roblox. Try to see if that works. If that doesn't work, all you have to do is long press on it, and you need to go to Roblox app info, tap on. Once you are here, find the storage option down below. From storage, tap on clear cache, and then from there back, go to permissions. Make sure all these permissions are allowed, including your microphone. Go back, and the final step is to force stop the app. Tap on force stop, tap on OK. So what it's going to do is, if there is anything, other requests going on in the background, it's going to completely force stop it and you're going to be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.